to Melbourne's big base camp. So here young base camp also, and Melbourne's John base camp. Melbourne's station is here. Please join us. Come to here. All Lions Club in the world Lions Club. Welcome to join. Once time you've been, anyhow you need to visit here. Yallourn plus Philippines, John Speak. Together former name is Yallourn. Now new name is Philippines, John Speak. And now we're going to climb these mountains. Now we are 5,400 meters, and now close to summit.
We are close to summit. Our Mr. Daochi Sherpa is going to summit. हाम्रो चिफ क्लाइम्बर दाछिरी शेर्पा चाहिँ कन्टिन्यू क्लाइम्बिङ गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ। अब हामी समिटको लागि 150 मिटर लगभग बाँकी छौं।
Welcome to climbing Philippines and Pacific. My friend Fuba also coming. He is also arriving soon. Top of Philippines, John Speak. Welcome. जय नेपाल। यो नेपाली झन्डा साइट हाम्रो सभामुखजीले साइन गरेको झन्डा जेनजी सरकार पछिको चाहिँ नि नयाँ सभामुख यङकै सभामुखको साइन गरेको नेपाली झन्डा यलुङरी तथा मेलिभिन्स जोन स्पिकमा फारफारौँ पाउँदा मलाई धेरै खुसी लाग्यो। मेरो नाम दावछिरी शेर्पा, रोलबालिङ गौरीशङ्कर गाउँपालिका वडा नम्बर 9 रोलबालिङ भन्ने ठाउँ। यो आफ्नै हिमालमा यो झन्डा फरफरौँ नेपालका झन्डा फरफरौँ पर्दा साह्रै गौरव लाग्यो। साह्रै धन्यवाद। सभामुखको पनि जय होस्। Mount Shishapangma, from here possible to see Shishapangma, and Mount Gaursankar, and Babingo, Chopuche, and Chejigo, Bamungo, Kangasugo. Behind this Chejigo is Chogoro, and we saw Kangarbo, and behind Kangarbo is possible to see little black. That one is Mountain Chauyo, 8,000 meter. Shishapangma also 8,000 meter. And Thangnako, and Langdak, and Chopuche, and that one is Thangnako, Papchamo, Chijimiko East, and Ramdong behind this mountain. And down there is Yallourn Base Camp plus Philippines John Speak Base Camp down there. We have a statue there. Possible to see way down, possible to welcome to this area to climbing Yallourn plus Melvins
John
Speak. Welcome to climb. Not so easy, but sometimes not easy, sometimes very easy. Welcome to climb. Contact to us. We climb with you. We make successful. Okay, bye.